Good morning, boys and girls.
And welcome to another adventure with Jim and Karen.
On a wet Washington day.
It is.
Where are you going today?
Road trip,
Road trip.
right?
You know where we're at now?
We're at Rocky Brook Falls.
Yes, we are. We're at Rocky Brook.
Isn't that pretty?
You take the Duc Falls recreational area road. The 3-mile marker is right there.
Sure is pretty though, even on a wet day.
It's just a little hop, skip, and jump, and we'll be there.
Right? See you in a bit.
Okay. We're gonna go this way. Before you even pass the gate. Beautiful. Love coming out here in the wintertime. That's for all you dog-friendly people. What you thinking, boo-boo?
I love it. You're following the brook here, and little waterfalls all along the way. We haven't gone very far.
We call them rapids.
Oh, well, I call them waterfalls.
So I think this whole trail is only like 1/10 of a mile, but it sure is beautiful.
Yes, it is.
It's a nice little trail till you get up next to the falls.
Very pretty out here.
All right, so your trail just got smaller, but you can already see the spray of the waterfall. Rocky Brook Falls. And it is flowing. We decided not to bring our drone because it's not waterproof. That thing is roaring. Look at that. All right, let's get a closer look.
All right, guys, we have made it to Rocky Brook Falls. She is in all her splendor right now. Take a look at that. Probably from all the rain we've had, that she's flowing so nicely.
Usually there's a nice swimming hole right there.
Yep.
Wade about waist deep.
Right? Wind's a little chilly with the mist hitting in the face, but sure is pretty.
Look at the power of that waterfall. So there's supposed to be more waterfalls above that. But like I said, didn't bring the drone today. Be a good place to launch it straight up. Oh well, in the summertime we'll do it. All right, we got more to see on this road trip. All right, boys and girls, stop 2 of our road trip.
Yep, we're gonna be doing Madison Falls.
Yep, so if you're heading eastbound on 101, just before you hit Lake Crescent, it's going to be Olympic Hot Springs Road. It says closed to vehicles, which it is right there. And there's the creek, the river, not the creek.
Okay.
And it's right across the street. Let's go check this place out. It's been several years since we've been here. But we're going to check it out. Well, you don't go far and you see the creek. Madison Creek. And you're gonna hit this wall. Look at those beautiful trees. It should just be around the corner. There she be. Isn't that beautiful? Feel the wind. Let's get closer. Yeah. All right, so there is a little trail. We come right on down here. It's a little slick right now. I asked Boo Boo, I said, "You bring waterproof socks?" She said, "No." I said, "I did." Front center. On to the next one. All right, boys and girls, now we're at the Storm King Ranger Station.
Right.
On Lake Crescent. Right behind us, beautiful Lake Crescent. We're gonna do
Marymere Falls.
Marymere Falls. It's about 1.8 miles. It says 1.5.
Round trip.
Round trip. It's not very far.
further than the last two, though.
Yep.
The other two were like less than a half a mile.
All right, gotta go underneath the interstate here. All right, folks, just before you go underneath the highway right there, take a look to your lake to the left. That is beautiful. You can't see how blue it is from this angle, but you can once you get a little higher. Very deep and very cold. I think we might meet it in here. Once you pass the under the interstate or highway, you come to this huge wide trail in the old growth forest.
Sure is pretty out.
Sure is party, Karen said.
Yep. All the moss covered trees. Which is beautiful.
All right, folks, at point 7, you're gonna hit this little sign. Barnes Creek Trail, that looks pretty. And Marymere Falls. Should be crossing Barnes Creek here soon. See you when you get there. All right, so just a couple steps, you're gonna see Marymere Creek there. This is Barnes Creek. We'll cross the bridge and we'll cross the other one. You can't see it, but I can see it through the trees there. Part of the water coming down. We'll show you when we get there. All right, we're gonna take a look at Barnes Creek. Doesn't look that deep. A little deeper there. Sure is beautiful out here. All right, we're gonna go up here and make a right and go see Marymere Creek. Look at the size of that tree. All right, nice little tree bridge here. That's a picture of Marymere Creek. See some of the waterfall up there. I'll get around Boo Boo here with my backpack on. That's the lower part. Now we hit Boo Boo's favorite. Stairs!
Alright guys, so about halfway up them stairs. We're gonna come to an intersection. There's a sign that says Falls Loop. We're gonna take the loop, which means we don't have to continue to climb.
Yes, we do.
Okay. Yeah, we do. I mean, up the stairs. Anyway, we'll come down those.
We're gonna make it left. Your other left, Boo Boo. This way.
Yeah.
Okay. What a view back down. All right, we'll come around this corner. See the falls in front of you. Get around this BFT. And there we have it. Marymere Falls. Looks like that tree's about ready to come off the edge. Sure is pretty. All right, folks, I'm showing 0.9 to get here. And this time we're gonna go back up that way because Karen, Boo Boo loves stairs, don't you?
No, but we're gonna do it anyway.
All right, go for it. See this? That's why I always tell them, paper beats rock. All right, up we go. All right, boys and girls, made it to the top.
53 steps.
53?
53.
Nice view. All right, next.
Guys, so we're at Solduck Valley or whatever. We were gonna do Solduck Falls, but the gate is closed to it.
Well, we'll give you a picture of it.
Yeah, but there was logs across there, as I remember.
Okay.
It's one I do remember, guys.
All right.
All right.
We'll find another one.
All right.
All right, boys and girls. Duc was closed.
It was so sad.
So we're gonna continue east until we hit 113, like you're going to Cape Flattery. And right at the 2-mile mark, you're gonna see a quarry sign on your left side of the road heading north, and a parking area on your right. You want to take that parking area. We're gonna hit Beaver Falls, which is right below us. And we can get down there, but I don't know how close we're gonna get, so we're gonna give it a try. All right, guys, we made it down. There you have it. Let me clean off my lens. There we go. Beaver Falls. That was a heck of a slippery climb down. All right, let's move on to the next one. All right, guys, so this is just a short little jaunt back. A little bit of under and over here. Look at all that water on that moss. Then you have to climb that, which isn't bad. All right, see you back up top. On to the next one. All right, boys and girls.
We can't have a road trip without stopping by the ocean.
Yep.
Unfortunately, the tide is in.
I just told Booba, so I guess we're not going to walk the beach today, huh?
Nope, not today. Well, we could. We want to get wet.
Right.
Sure is pretty, though.
Yeah, it is.
At least the wind's not blowing.
I know, right?
And it's not raining.
Yep. All right, I think we got a couple more waterfalls we need to find.
All right, see you in a bit. Well, hello, guys. We are now at the Cornell Rainforest. We're going to do the Cornell Rainforest Trail, so we can see Wallaby Falls.
Which is just a hop, skip, and jump.
Right.
We're basically going to run right over here instead of going the whole loop. Just see another waterfall.
Right. Let's
So this
do
is on the South Shore Road on Lake Quinault. It's pretty out here. See you at the falls. All right, boys and girls, on the way to this Wallaby Falls, we get to see this BFT, Pillars of Time. That is one big tree. That's a lot of firewood. All right. All right, after the BFT, you're gonna see a Rainforest Trail and the Lakeshore Trail. We're gonna take the Lakeshore Trail down to Wallaby Falls. As I remember, you can't get too close to this, especially if it's raging like it is now. But it's a beautiful canyon down there. Uh-oh, trail went away. Both hands. All right, we've made it to the bottom of the bridge. And there's the falls. Yeah, last time we got down that area, but not with all the rainfall. Willaby.
All right, guys, so we drove about 6 miles down the South Quinault Road to get to Merryman Falls.
Not Marymere, like we saw Merryman.
Right. This has got to be one of the prettiest waterfalls I've ever seen.
And it's also probably the easiest to access. There's the road, there's the falls. Let's go take a look. We come here every time we stop by here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Waterproof socks. Thank you, sir. Look at that. Merryman Falls. To me, that is the most comforting sound in the world. Well, unless you're in a slot canyon, then it's not a good sound. On to the last one. All right, boys and girls, last stop of the day. I believe this is called Duc Falls. Pretty one it is. So this actually separates the national park boundary, heading that way. There's no official sign, but it says county road ends. Absolutely amazing. All right, we're gonna give it a wrap up here. All right, so before we wrap it up, if you walk back down the street from the truck there, a couple yards, you're gonna see another little fall here, which is actually part of Duc Falls. It's just another shoot off of it. Beautiful. That's the Cornell River. All right, time to wrap things up. All right, boys and girls, that wraps up yet another adventure.
With Jim and Karen.
Road trip adventure.
Yes, it was. Because it was supposed to be a rainy day. Most of the rain happened while we were in the car. Only got wet once out doing these waterfalls. So it was a waterfall adventure along Highway 101.
We did the Olympic Peninsula loop. We missed quite a few waterfalls, but due to time constraints.
And because one was closed down, which was sad. But it was a beautiful day out. We started out with Rocky Brook Falls, which was amazing. Then we went to Madison. It was okay. It was nice. Marymere. That one's a very pretty waterfall, but nothing like Merryman. Loved it.
Still Duc was closed.
Still Duc was closed. Then
Beaver.
We went to Beaver. That was amazing. That one's a huge, I mean, it's a big stretch. It was very, very amazing. And then we went to Cornell Rainforest. Willaby Falls. That was pretty. Very, very pretty. And we traveled a little bit of the rainforest, not much, to get to it, so that was really nice. Then from there we stayed on the South Shore Road and went to Merryman. That has got to be the most beautiful waterfall in the world. I love that one. I've loved it every time we've been up there. You have to see that one, guys.
And the last one is?
Duc Falls.
Brooks. Yep.
And it's very nice. And we all walked down the road just a little bit and saw another one, but it's very, very nice. It was a wonderful road trip. You get out of the car a lot. It's a long drive home, though. It's 2.5 hours. So y'all get out on a rainy day, do a drive or go for a hike. Have fun. Be safe. God bless.